Hello beautiful people. We're back at the dog park. It's been like 2 weeks since our last freaking dog walk, litter walk. So I was like, dang, might as well come right back to the dog park again. We man, fighting depressive episodes. In 110 degree weather here, and fucking over 100 degree weather by 8, 9 a.m. Violet! I'm not doing this, girl. Hey, you need to calm. Calm. You're going crazy already. Hey, pick a fucking direction and go in it. Alright? I'm not doing this running around shit. If you keep knocking the camera off, I'm gonna get upset with you. I'm gonna need a poop bag. Hopefully I have something in the backpack. Yeah, I had a little depressive episode. I was out of it for about a week. I didn't eat. I lost like 7 pounds. But of course it wasn't like real weight loss. I probably gained it all back, right? Monkey left. Went to some Padres games. Got some jerseys. Violet! I'm gonna fucking lose it. Violet. I'm gonna lose it. Calm. Went to some Padres games. That was nice. Violet, monkey, left. Monkey! Left. Come on. But yeah, last week and like half the week before that, we wake up at 7 a.m. It would be in the 80s. And by like 9 a.m., it was 100 degrees or damn near. So, hey, leave it. Hey, no. Violet left. Around, left, yeah. So yeah, we weren't waking up. I wasn't waking up. I haven't been sleeping too well either. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm trying to get a routine, monkey, dude. I want to try to get a routine going. I want to start waking up 7 a.m. Wake up, whatever I do. So wake up, grab my little caffeine, water, use the potty, let the dogs out, get my stuff together, go on a litter walk, go home, and stream for an hour, like up to 2 hours, 2 hours minimum type thing. And I think that's how I want to starting every morning. So today I woke up and I wasn't feeling too depressed. And I thought, well, damn, today's the day to break this pattern I've been in, get out of the rut. So, we're on a litter walk, even if it's just going to be a short one. Excuse me. I applied for a job at a zoo. It's an internship for only 3 months. So I'm hoping, they won't be so strict that I don't have any experience. It's in a different state. It's in Chicago, so that'd be cool. There's a few other ones that are in Texas and Florida, but those ones appear to be always up. Like they're just a year around. You apply for the next quarter, and that's really it. So I thought if I don't get this one, because this one's for penguins, dude. You used to work with fucking penguins for 3 months? Hello, yes please. So, hopefully that would be dope if I could get that. I don't know, you know. Hey, Violet! You know what you're doing. Sit. You know what you're doing, girl. Stop it. I watched you fucking do it. Violet. Go just straight. Stop running back and forth. No. You're being bad. Violet. This fucking back and forth shit. Gotta go under Monkey's leash. Monkey, stop pulling. I'm not gonna tell you again. Come on. Y'all are pissing me off. It's not that hard to walk. I'm gonna tie y'all together in a second. So yeah, that'd be cool. Work at a little zoo for a couple of months. Go to a new area, do different litter walks, get some experience under my belt. Go back to school. Once I learn, I can speak to zoo people. What? Hey, Violet, leave it. Get some experience. Get some pointers. Violet! How do you wrap yourself up like that? Dude, Violet, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind on you in a second. Stop pulling on this goddamn leash. I'm gonna put you in a fucking coma. You too, Monkey. You're starting to piss me off. Come here. What else? Applied for that. Violet, stop. Y'all are about to get in trouble if y'all keep eating grass, dude. Y'all have food. Y'all eat. Violet! You walked around a fucking pole. You know what you're doing. Violet, come here. I don't know how you did that. Good girl. Come on. Depression, applied for that. A lot of Poke Rogue. Dude, Monkey, Violet, stop pulling. Yeah, no, just kind of chilling now. I mean, it's only been 2 weeks, right? Not like it's the end of the world. It hasn't been forever. Hey! Yeah, okay, you're not pulling hard, but you're at the extent of the leash and you're just putting tension on it. You're just leaning your body against the tense leash. That's pulling. And you need to stop it. Violet, stop! You're gonna get in trouble. I'm telling you right now, you're pissing me off. You're ruining the walk. It should be a very chill walk, and you're ruining it. You're being a nuisance. Look, I like that. See, your leash does not have any tautness. Stop pulling! Violet, heel. Violet. Violet, heel. Oh, we're just gonna go you're not gonna go in the dog park, Violet, because you're acting bad. You know, right now I'm not putting up with this. Violet, You're slowly going forward. You need to heel. Violet, no. You know what this means. You know what I'm at. Keep fucking pulling on this leash. Violet, stop pulling. Monkey, front. Front. Monkey, front. You're being bad right now. You're nervous because I'm yelling at Violet, but you're being bad by not listening to me. In the mirror, oh yeah, I'm asking him to change his ways. No, Violet, bad. Come here, Violet, come here. You got your leash all wrapped up in that fucking plant because you can't just walk on a straight goddamn line. Come on. Monkey. No, no. Come here. Front. You see how you shouldn't be pulling, Violet? Because you shouldn't be in that direction fully. You should be by me waiting to see where I'm going. Your mother told me that we got to start working on this again, because you've been trained on how to walk directly next to somebody. That's what you're supposed to be doing. Monkey, come on. Monkey. Monkey, come here. What? Will you? Come on. What are you doing? Wow, monkey, front. Dude, I'm gonna lose my mind on you, monkey. Monkey, walk. Girl, why are you doing this? Violet, quit pulling. No. No, that's a bad Violet. Oh, are you pooping? What? Good girl, monkey. Violet, no. Violet, no. Violet, no. Violet, come on. Come here. Monkey, come here. It's your fucking grassy poop. I wonder why that is, huh? Is it because you eat grass? Violet, you're wrapped around both of your fucking legs because you can't do anything right. Monkey, can you unwrap from around Violet, please? Thank you. Somewhat. Come on. Violet, no. Come here. There you go. Violet, no. Calm. Walk. Front. Monkey, come on. Monkey, come on, girl. Hey, Violet, if you don't listen, or heel, Violet, heel. You're not listening. Violet, come on. Stop pulling. Come on. Come on. Monkey. Violet, no. Violet. Do you just want to go home? Little lizard on a plant right here. Look at this little guy. Just hanging out. Little guy's just hanging out. Come on. Come on. Front. What is that? Violet. Is that front? You need to listen. Focus. Right now you're too amped up. This is why I'm not going to take you in that park. You're acting bad. You're not listening. If you were listening, I would take you. Come on. Monkey, leave it. Come on. I think Violet's about to poop, maybe? Hey, come on. No. Come on. This way, front. Come on, Monk. I'm sweating. Alright, now we're going to circle around the dog park. If you're good, after that, we'll go in. Look at you, you're being so good right now. Violet, no, no. Violet, Violet, come here. Place. Violet, what did I just say? There you go. Good girl, calm. Violet, come on. No, no, calm. Violet, calm. Violet, yeah, see? Be nice. Stop barking. Hey, no. Stop that. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. See, there you go. Good girl. See, good girl. Come on. Violet, 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 Violet. No, wait. Violet, come here. Come here. Come here. Good girl, look at you. Come on. You're not doing bad. That was good. Violet, Violet, shh, shh, shh. Be quiet. Stop that. Come on. Good girl. Violet, come here. Violet, slow. Slow. Good girl. That's not something. Slow. Good girl. Hi. Come here. This way, right. Violet, monkey, right. What did I just say? Focus. Yeah, y'all aren't listening right now. Hey, y'all aren't listening. If y'all want to go in the dog park, y'all need to listen. Spoon! Metal spoon! It's not cooked. Ain't no crack around here. No, leave it. Like an exercise band? Bro, I'm hungry. I've been getting hungry a lot recently. I'm not normally so hungry, but I ate last night. I'm about to eat again this morning. What do I got to eat? Some eggs? Maybe some rice and quinoa? That might be why I've been eating a lot of quinoa. I think it's going through me. I've had a lot of rice and quinoa. Did they cut all this shit down? This was much more plant-based, I feel like. More messy. Hey, stop pulling. Monkey, stop pulling. Come here. What did I say? I said stop pulling. Violet, we don't bark. No, hey, that's a good girl. See? Violet, we don't bark. Violet, come here. Bad girl. See? Now that's a good girl. Yeah, this was a bunch of messy shit before. Yeah, they chopped it all down and cleaned it up. That's fine. Cool. I gotta pee too. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. This might be it for the walk. I don't know if we'll... Dude, a second poop monkey? It's crazy. Violet, calm. That was a big one too. Comparatively, much bigger poop monkey. Wow. Violet, we don't bark. Stop it. It's okay. Violet, calm. No, it's okay. Good morning. Violet, we don't bark at people. They didn't do nothing. Violet, stop it. Come on. Oh, no. Violet, calm. Go ahead. See, quiet. Quiet. Bad. Violet. Violet. Violet, quiet. Be nice. Yeah, see, good dog. No. Violet, shh, shh, shh. Quiet and calm. Quiet and calm. Hi. I know. I know. I know. That's what I was trying to tell Violet. She needs to be nicer. Yeah. Hey, stop. Stop it. Violet, calm down. Monkey, go around. I saw a different and got nowhere. Hi, you made a friend. Violet, be nice. Violet, stop it. Come on, this way. Monkey, go around. Monkey, you're wrapping around my ankles, sweetie. You need to stay on the left-hand side. See, this is a good Violet. Violet, no. Violet. Bad Violet. Come here, Violet. You don't bark at people. Come here. Violet. Focus. Come on. Leave it. That smells bad. No, 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 no. Violet, 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 Violet. Violet, stop. Violet, wait. There you go. Nice. Pee from the monkster. Come on. Let's go. Hey, we don't bark at people. They didn't do nothing. Hi. Hello. Come on. Oh, hi. Violet, we don't bark at people. Don't do that. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. I haven't had sunglasses this whole time, and my eyes are starting to water. Starting to water. Fake dollar bill. It's not real. Part of Al Qaeda's trick. They want me to bend down so they can put a cucumber up my butt and try to pickle it. I read it on the news. It's the new tactic that all the terrorists are using. Drop $1, you bend over, cucumber up the butt. You're too embarrassed to go to the doctor, so you leave it in and it pickles, and then the vinegar from the pickle kills you. Leave it. Gross. 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 Oh, it smells. Hey, monkey, what are we doing? Yeah. Yeah. Violet, leave it. Come here, front. Focus. Violet, focus. Run, 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 run. Run, run. Got a mark on it. A little dog. Violet, it's okay. Leave it, it's okay. Come on. Violet. Good catch. Good girl. Good girl, Violet. Hey, wait. Violet, stop. Place. Violet, focus. Hey, what did I just say? I said focus. You're not focusing. Alright. Monkey. Violet, come on. Violet. Monkey, come on. Front. I know y'all want to go in there. I'm sorry. We've had a long walk. I'm sweating. My eyes burn, especially my left eye. Come on. Hey, let's go. I want to get home, have some energy, so I can click the go live button and then play something and just chill for an hour. Monkey, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. You need to walk. Do your paws hurt? Are you done walking for today? If so, stop pulling in the direction of the dog park. You're either done walking or you aren't. But I'm not doing this bullshit. All my paws hurt, but I'll walk into the dog park. Or go any direction I want. Come on. Violet, stop pulling. Piss bottle. Alright, beautiful people, I love y'all. This is going to be the end of the walk. Piss bottle is going to be the end. I love y'all. I'll see y'all at weigh-ins. Good walk to get back into it. Alright? Hopefully I'll just keep it going. Hopefully Bree will edit some videos and we can get a good schedule going. And yeah, it'll be great. But I love y'all and I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Alright, beautiful people. Let's see. Damn. I really did just gain all that weight back. 10 pounds back. 248.2. 248.2. 248.2. Bust the bag. $251.3. $251.3. Alright. Love y'all. Bye.